Hi friends, this is your Lesson 12 exit ticket. So just like we did in our practice, you will see some data over here that you're going to put on this data chart. Okay, so remember, you're putting the squares that are right next to each other. So as you're counting up your animals, make sure you cross them off so you don't recount them again. Okay, so you'll see some giraffes, you'll see some elephants, and you'll see some lions. So here's giraffe, here's elephant, and here's lion. So you're going to take your data and you're going to input how many giraffes here, how many elephants here, how many lions here. Remember to use those squares right next to each other, okay? Once you've collected your data in here, we're going to answer these two questions down here, okay? Number one, remember, pause the video in between your questions so that you can answer it. Write a numbered sentence to show how many students were asked about their favorite animal at the zoo. So I want you to write a number sentence on this line to show me how many students were asked about their favorite animal of the zoo. So take this information and write a number sentence right here and solve how many students were asked about their favorite animal. Pause the video so you can work on that question and then restart it when you're ready for question number 2. Question number 2. Write a number sentence to show how many fewer students like elephants than giraffes. So how many fewer or less students like elephants than giraffes? Think about what you need to do to those two numbers. I want to know how many fewer students liked elephants than giraffes. Should you subtract them or should you add them? How would I find how many fewer students liked elephants than giraffes? Write that number sentence on this line and then solve for your answer.